Basic elements and concepts of Java. For you to be able to understand what Java is, you must first know the basic elements and concepts of Java. Program. A sequence of statements intended to accomplish a task. Programming. A process of planning and creating programs. Programming language. It is the formal and structured language to communicate instructions to the computer. Now, proceed to the three important parts of the program for Java: the packages, classes, and methods. First, the package. Collection of related classes. Class. It is consists of methods. Method. Designed to accomplish a specific task.
The import statement. It is used to import components of a package into the program. Here's an example. Let us use the core package, java.io. You combine the input statement and the core package you want to use. Please, don't forget the semicolon. It is very important. Now, we go to the different core packages in Java. Number 1, Java.lang. Basic language functionality and fundamental types. Java.util, collection of data structures classes. Number 3, Java.io, file operations. Number 4, Java.math, summary precision arithmetic. Number 5, Java.6, Java Neo, new input-output framework to Java. Number 7, Java.net, networking operations and sockets. Number 8, Java.security, key generations, encryption, decryption. Number 9, Java.sql, Java database, connectivity, JDBC, to access database. Number 9, Java.awt, basic hierarchy of package for native GUI components. Number 10, Javax.swing, hierarchy of package for platform-independent rich GUI components. Number 11, Java.applet, classes for creating applets.
Let's now proceed on how you will create the Java program. This is the syntax for your guide in creating a program. The import statement first. Let's use import java.util.asterisk semicolon. Then the syntax of the class, public class, then insert the class name, then open braces. Then the syntax of the main method, public static void main string args, then open braces. Then your statements, statement 1, dot, dot. Statement 2, dot, dot. Then to end your program, put into those braces.
If you want the user to input hers the same task for input statement, standard input, stream object system .in. To read the data, 1. First, write an input stream object of the class scanners. Step 2. Use the method such as next line, next int, and next double. Example, static scanner equal new scanner system.in semicolon. While for output statement, standard output objects, system out, it displays the statement. Also, it is a reserved word in Java. Methods, println. Syntax, system.out.print string expression. System.out.print string expression. System.out.print.
We need to open the NetBeans IDE application. Select New, Java class, and the name of your class. Input output using console. Then click Finish. Automatically, the name of the class will be imported on the program. You need to type import java.util.asterisk semicolon. We use this package because it contains all the collection of data classes. Then, public class input output using console. Open braces. This part is the class name or the name of your program. Static scanner console is equals to new scanner system.in semicolon. The word console allows the class to get input from the users. The next, public static void main string hearts, then open braces. Public is the access specifier which allows the program to the visibility of the class member. Static allows to be called without having initiated. Then void, simply it tells the compiler not to return any value. Next is the variables that will be used for the program. We will type string name semicolon. String is a reserved word and name is a Java identifier. System.out.println quotation mark, my first Java program. This output statement will now display the words inside the parentheses. The next is for the input statement. System.out.print enter your name. In this process, we get the input from the user, specifically the user's name. Name is equals to console dot next line semicolon. Then this is the method where the input will be processed. System.out.println parentheses quotation mark hello world says quotation mark plus name semicolon. In this output statement, it will combine the words inside the quotation mark and the user's input. Then lastly, you need to put two closing braces to end your program. Now that we finished the coding part, we will now test the program. Click run file or shift F6. Then my first Java program, enter your name, Carol. Then it will output hello world says Carol.
Here is another sample program, and it is all about basic input-output using JOption. Create your file, right-click your file project, new, create Java class. Create class name, let's use basic input-output using JOption. Finish. You can delete or undelete the comment section, but it's up to you. There. Now let's import the javax.swing because JOption uses the core package javax.swing. javax.swing.asterisk semicolon. There. Oh wait, there's an error here. Forgot the W. There. Here is our class and the class name. Now I proceed to the main method. Public static void main string string args. Then the opening curly brace. Now we input the variables. And the here and string here input. Now I proceed to the message dialog box. We're in the J option pane, and the show message is the syntax. That show message dialog. There's the null. It's a reserved word for Java. Then our message string expression. Let's use my first J option program. Then comma the box title J option program. Comma again, then the message type J option pane dot. And this is the syntax for message type. Information message. The message type must be in all capital letters. There are 5 message type: the warning message, error message, question message, plain message, and information message. Here we use information message. Now we proceed to the input statement or the input dialog. Let's use the string variable here, input is equal to J option pane dot show input dialog. Inside the input dialog is the input statement. Then enter here. There. Then semicolon. Now we proceed to the wherein we will parse the string variable into integer. Let's parse here is equal to integer dot parse int, then the string variable, which is the year input. Now I proceed to another J option, which is the last output, and the syntax for that is the J option pane dot show message dialog also. Show pane dot show message dialog. Null, reserved word, then the statement is the hello, then the parsed variable, which is the string, the year input. Semicolon. Wait, there's an error here. I misplaced the old one. Now, to end this program, let's use the syntax system dot exit 0 and semicolon. Now shift F6, running. Our program is there. Oh, wait, where's our... There. Here is our box title, our message type, and the message string expression. Okay. Enter year 2016. There, hello 2016. Here is our program. Thank you and have a good day.